What's going on, guys? So today we are unboxing this smartLav mic for like phones, and I'm gonna use this for my phone because I'll be doing like videos out in public and I need the mic put up on my chest. So I'm just gonna unbox it and then I'm gonna do a test for you guys to show you what it sounds like. We got the comes with this nice bag. I like this. This is pretty nice. It's pretty nice quality. And so we get the mic itself. We get the little clip to hang it on to your shirt, and some poison that you might want to save for later. I don't know. This has something to do with putting it on to you, but we'll find out in a second. And we got this mic. So this is like the instructions on how to use it. Alright, so it's compatible with phones, laptops, and a few other audio devices. This is the connectivity for it. As you can see, so I'm gonna test it on this iPhone. And the iPhone has the one iPhone port. So I already have a dongle that I bought a while ago. Luckily I have this, so now I can just plug it in and plug it into my phone, like so. And now we're gonna be mic'd up. Alright, so I figured this out. To put the mic in to this thing here, I'm gonna take it out for a second. You're gonna take off this little thing, and you just have the mic here, right? So what you wanna do is make sure you're looking at the words road, and you basically want to put it in this hole right here. You got it right there. Make sure this is at the bottom. Then you want to push that down, and then slide this in there. And they recommend you clip it on like this. So, see, I got a shirt on under here. So it's this one right here. I ain't gonna lie, it looked kind of sketchy, but we'll use it and see. Okay, look, I got the mic connected, and you can see that Alright, so what you should be hearing now is the audio from this mic. Hopefully it's doing great. Hopefully it's doing well. I'm going to actually show you what to do with this. Let me look for a second. So if you look at this, so I adjusted it some, I put it on my shirt. If you look at this cord and you see this little tape right here, you put the cord in between there, you close it, and I guess that's supposed to hold the cord instead of using some tape. So like this. We'll go ahead and we'll put this around here like that. You can see that, like that. And you want to put this like that. So now, I just got from the gym, that's why I have this on. But now you can have your mic here, and you can put your hoodie over it, whatever. You guys will figure it out on your own when you need to. So like this, I'm gonna probably need my mic to be hidden because I'm gonna be doing like videos like that. But you can also put it, you know, like right there where people can see, or however you want to do it. Now let's do the mic test outside. Alright, so now we're outside and it should be sounding pretty good. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna put it in here with no editing, and then I'm gonna put it in here with editing. And then I'm gonna put the ZV-1 camera itself, just the audio like that, just so you guys can get a feel of what, just with no mic versus with the mic. So boom. And for the ZV-1 audio, it's not that far away. It's kind of windy out here, but we'll see how it sounds. So I think this mic is definitely well worth it. It is a mic, so it's obviously gonna be always better than the camera audio. It's a Rode mic at that, so You know, I think it's definitely worth it if you want something cheap, but it is quality of a product to use for your needs. If you're doing interviews or if you're doing pranks or whatever you might be doing, this is definitely a good like starter kit for that. So let me know if you guys think this is worth it. If you have one, let me know. Or if you're planning on getting one, just tell me in the comments. I think this is definitely gonna be what I use for a very long time for my audio. So thank you for watching. Peace.